Hello guys, in this video I'm going to make this part in SolidWorks, and this is a kind of flange but having the hexagonal hole in it. And if you want to see the dimensions, you can see the dimensions from the section view. uh, this is 100 diameter, maximum diameter is 100 and then the center of the holes are at 80 diameter, a circle of 80 diameter, and this is a hole is 40 and it is its depth is 5 and this one is 12 you can see it is given here in the bottom, it is 12 and this is from this line to this line, you can see it is 50 okay. And this from this to this it is 50 and there are here it is 5 chamfer and 2 chamfer and 5 chamfer is here, and this is 5 from here down 5 because this is 50 minus 40 divided by 2, it is 5 here and 5 inside, and then depth, and then up to the center line, and then we will make this. Okay, so we can make it by using many strategies, but it is I will use the revolve boss base command in SolidWorks, and I will make half of the sketch. This is sketch. First I will draw a center line, then I will start a sketch, go to 5 this one, and because this will be 20 40 is diameter, half of 40 is 20, so this is will be 20 from the center line, and then this will be 5, and then this will be 50 minus 20, that is 30 up, and then 12 and then down it will be it is 50 that is 25 here, so it will be 25 down, and then 30 this one, and I will use the chamfer of 5 this and 2 this, and then I will revolute the boss base, use the revolve boss base, and then I will make the cut according to the 30 circumscribed hexagon, and then I will make the hole and the countersink of the hole for the bolts. Okay, it is a kind of flange. So let us start this in the SolidWorks. Mm, so you can see here I have started part already in the SolidWorks, so I will start a sketch this one. I will use the center line first, and then I will draw a center line here anywhere, but it should be horizontal, so I will make the center line, and from this center line I will make start the sketch as per our drawing. So it will be 20 from this center line, 20 and then it is approximately 5 and then it is 30 and then it is 12 and then it is about 25 and then it is like 38 and then I will go down straight, and then I will close the sketch. Okay, so our sketch is now ready, and now I have to give the dimensions. To get the to give the dimension, I will use the smart dimension command. So first of all I will give the dimension here. It is 20 20 and this is 30 so that overall is 50 from the center line. Okay, and this one it is 12 12 and this is 25 This is 25 mm, and this is also 25 mm. This is constant already, so it will not take this one because it is 50 and 25. This line, it is already 25, it has given it. And this will not take this dimension as well, I think. uh, so this dimension, bottom dimension, is not required, but we need dimensions for this one. We need dimension for this one, 5 mm. This should be 5 mm. This is 5 mm. So it is 50 minus 5, it should be 45 mm already, so it won't take this one, I hope. uh, 45 mm. Okay, so it is 45 plus 550, so it will be 38 mm. 38 mm is correct there, but it will not take, it will be a driven dimension, not driving dimensions. And now you see here, we have given the most of the dimension. Now it is time to make some, like there is 5 mm down and 5 mm this also, so I will I can make this one here. Actually it was approx 5 mm here, and then down by like this. Okay, this was there, so I have to trim this side, and I have to remove this one as well. Okay, so this is also 5 mm. This is also 5 mm, and this one is also 5 mm. 5 mm is there, it is already 5 mm. Okay, so our sketch is almost ready, and now I have to apply the chamfer. To apply chamfers, I will take the chamfer, and on this corner it is 2 mm, and at the top corner it is 2 mm too. Here it is 2 mm and here it is 2 mm, so I will apply chamfers here. It is showing 10 mm but not 10 mm, but I need 2 mm. First of all I will take I will control S, and then I will start again chamfering, and it is chamfer is 2 mm, and now this chamfer is also 2 mm, and I will take the chamfering command again, and this chamfer is 5 mm. 5 mm, and I will apply this chamfer here. It is 5 mm now. You can see it is 5 mm, and there is no other chamfer, so the sketch is ready. So I will exit the sketch, and now I will take the Revolve boss base, and it has taken already the sketch and the center line as the axis, and it is done. So you can see it is already here. This has been done, and now but I need only the holes. So first of all I will make the center holes, hexagonal central hole. So to do this I will use the again sketch and take the polynomial polygon, and for polygon it is 6 sides already, and I will take the center of this circle. Center is here, and then I will use this one, and it says inscribed circle. I need in the uh, in this one you can see it is circumscribed center with 30 diameter. So I will use circumscribed circle, and diameter of this is 30 mm. So I will use the diameter 30 mm, and then I will select OK, and then exit the sketch. And to cut the hole I will use the extrude cut command. I will take, and then I will take this sketch, it is here, first of all I have to take this. So we take it like this, and up to the surface, then I will click OK, and you can see the hexagonal hole is cut in this part. Now I need to cut circular hole at this periphery, and you can see the diameter, the position of the circles. This hole's center to center distance is 80 mm. So these holes will be on the 80 mm diameter circle, and the diameter of this hole is 8 mm, and the sink diameter is 12 mm. So I will first make the hole. First I will make the sketch here, and take the plan and sketch. I will take the sketch and take the plan, and then I will create a circle here. Okay, or I can make the circle just at the corner of this side. So the circle is drawn, and now I will give the dimensions. It is 8 mm diameter, 8 mm, and its distance from the center is, you can see the center distance is 40. It should be 40 because half of it is 40. So I will use 40, and then I will exit the sketch. And now I will create a hole. I will create a hole. So I will take the extrude cut command. So I will take the extrude command, and first I will take the sketch, and here selected contours, I will take the sketch, this one, and a hole will be cut down. You can see a hole is cut down, and now I will make a sink for the hole, 5 mm sink and 12 mm diameter. Then I will take again the sketch, circular sketch, and I will take this plane again and draw a circle at the radius center of this, and its uh, diameter should be 12 mm. So it is 12 mm, and the depth of this will be 5 mm. So I will exit the sketch, again take the extrude cut, and then I will make I will first of all select the contours. It is sketch already, it has taken. Now I have to select the other surface here, not other surface, it is not up to surface, it should be blind, and for blind I will give the dimension like 5 mm depth, and then you can see 5 mm depth is there. You can see in the this one it is 5 mm. So 5 mm depth is there. Now I have to make the pattern, so I will choose the circular pattern, and then I will take the features and faces. I have to select, so I will select this one, this one, this one. So I will take this one and both of this, and then I have to take the directions for this one. So I will take this one and make it angle 360-degree, and it will be like 8 patterns, 8, but the angle is, this is not angle, but I will make it 8 and equal spacings, 360-degree equal spacings. So this is ready, and I will select OK. So all holes are done. Here you can see this part is done in SolidWorks, and you can see a part is done. And thank you for watching. I hope this might be helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you again. Thanks again.